Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to all new episode of Voice of Red Hackle, a podcast of the cadets, for the cadets, by the cadets. We are celebrating NCC Day, which is celebrated on 4th Sunday of November every year. Voice of Red Hackle brings you a new series of podcasts to show how Amrit Kal ki NCC is leading towards Viksit Bharat. Today, we have with us Captain Dr. Raksha Sharma from One Delhi Girls Battalion. Jai Hind, ma'am.
Jai Hind.
Thank you for joining us.
Most welcome.
So, ma'am, I want to know, आपने NCC as an ANO क्यों join की?
So, the journey started when I was a young child. We used to see army parades on the television. They were really visually stunning. Their synchronization, flawless performances, their uniform, medals, badges, their styling march, slow march, quick march, band performances, military bands. So I was very much impressed by the army and I wanted to be a uniformed armed officer. But as I grew up, I came to know that army is not open for girls. So I did my BSc Physics Honours, MSc Physics and PhD Physics and got a job in Kirodimal College. After joining Kirodimal College, the boys ANO of our Kirodimal College, Dr. Shiv Kumar Kaushik from Mathematics Department, got promoted to major post and also he achieved Delhi Brave Hearts Award. So I got inspired once again to become a uniformed officer and I applied for the post of ANO, went through my training at Officers Training Academy at Gwalior and become Associate NCC Officer.
Okay. And ma'am, आप अपने OTA Academy के experience के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए हमारे audience को.
Yes, the experiences at Officers Training Academy Gwalior was my lifetime experience. Both PRCN course, which leads to the post of lieutenant, commissioned as lieutenant, and refresher course leading to promotion to the post of captain. Both the experiences were amazing. And actually, I can say they were the best part of my life because number one, we were treated as a cadet like we have to leave our all the degrees of doctorate etc outside academy and when we go through the rigorous training sessions starting from morning PT, drill, theory lectures, evening sports, cultural competition and then late night studies 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. we are busy. We used to get 3 to 4 hours or 5 hours sleep, maximum 5 hours sleep in OTA and there were various competitions, sports, cultural, NIAP, different exercise Anubhav, exercise Shakti, in which we used to work as a team with ANOs of different states where there was a language barrier and we used to help each other and perform in our performances and in addition even after this barrier we won the prizes. My team got the prizes and in exercise Shakti and also I won yoga competition prizes. So it was an amazing lifetime experience at OTA.
Ma'am, indeed, NCC unites us all.
Yes, we were divided by languages but we were united by NCC at OTA.
True. So मैम, आपके फैमिली का क्या रिएक्शन था जब उन्होंने सबसे पहले आपको यूनिफॉर्म में देखा?
There was a profound impact on my family and society when they saw me first time in the uniform. There was a passing out parade, POP parade at OTA. Both my parents and my family came to see that parade and they were very, very happy. My father actually wanted to become an army officer but he was not able to do. He was a school teacher and the shine in his eyes, it looks like it is my life's greatest achievement. And my other family members like my sister always salutes me when she sees me in uniform and even my kids in their school diary they put my uniformed pic intentionally in their school diary and then show that diary to their friends and their friends say your mother is a lecturer of physics and your mother is a NCC officer. We want to, not only my kids are inspired, their friends are also inspired. My family has also learned to adapt when I am on deployment in camps. They have learned to take up the responsibility in my absence with a pride.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Family support is very much important.
Yes.
So, ma'am, what changes have you noticed in old NCC and Amrit Kal ki NCC?
There are many differences in old NCC and Amrit Kal ki NCC. The old NCC used to have emphasis on military training, rigorous drills, discipline, military history, and military protocols. These used to be all the syllabus. But in new Amrit Kal ki NCC, many new things has been incorporated, that is digital literacy, environmental awareness, sustainable development, cyber security, vocational training, skill enhancement courses. So the syllabus has incorporated various new topics. Earlier social media was banned, but now social media itself has become a platform to spread awareness about the NCC activities. Inspiration, it has become a platform for inspiration and motivation to cadets, and a way to connect to our various alumni. Thank you.
So, ma'am, what is the meaning of Amrit Kal ki NCC for senior wing cadets?
So, if you are talking about SW, that is Girl Cadet NCC, Amrit Kal ki NCC for Girl Cadets. So, here the more emphasis is on self-defense, women empowerment, rights to women, etc. activities. For example, in the self-defense activities are conducted in collaboration with Delhi Police in camps as well as in institutes. The girls are trained in first aid and healthcare services so that they can contribute in disaster management services. The leadership qualities and team management skills are inculcated into the girl cadets by delegating them different tasks, making them leaders for various tasks.
So, ma'am, what are the ways by which we can inculcate the Amrit Kal ki NCC amongst the cadets?
Yes, this is a very important question. How to act? What are the projects? What are the activities which should do to inculcate all our plans? That is, what is the aim of Amrit Kal ki NCC? How to inculcate those quality into the cadets? So, for example, if you want to inculcate patriotism, you can call eminent personalities who can share their stories with the cadets to inculcate patriotism. That is a project. And also we can take cadets for the Bharat Darshan. That is, they can see diversity and unity in the India. To inculcate discipline in the cadets, regular rigorous training sessions, strict adherence to the schedule, and accountability for the duties given should be followed. Till now we are conducting, for example, for environmental awareness, we are conducting tree plantation drives, Yamuna campaigning, cleanliness drives. So in addition to that, we can also inculcate habits of sustainable development, that is uses of the resources available, reduce plastic waste, inculcate the habits of cleaning, taking away a cloth bag instead of a poly bag. So these type of habits like water harvesting, these energy saving techniques, so these should come into their habits. So workshop and training sessions and practical training sessions on these environmental awareness programs should be conducted. NCC is meant for physical fitness. In addition to physical fitness, mental fitness programs like stress management, time management, interpersonal relationships, these type of training sessions will also be conducted in Amrit Kal NCC.
So, ma'am, we have rapid fire question round for you. So, मैं words बोलूँगी, जो सबसे पहले आपके mind में impression या word आता है, you'll have to say that. NCC.
Discipline.
Okay. Drill.
Synchronization.
Okay. Uniform.
Smart.
So, rank panel.
Most obedient cadets.
Okay. SU.
Always yes.
So, ma'am, what's the funniest excuse you have heard from a cadet for missing the fallen?
Not only cadet, but I have heard from my colleagues at OTA also, and in camps via other ANOs also, that is, बैरे लाना भूल गए.
Okay. So, ma'am, in the end, what message you would like to convey to our audience?
In the last, I would like to give a message that if we are we are successful in inculcating these Amrit Kal qualities into our NCC cadets, they will become a well-rounded, responsible, patriotic individuals who will lead to India's progress and lead to Viksit Bharat 2047. Thank you.
मैम बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank
Thank
you.
you. जय हिंद.
Jai Hind.